Hello there, thank you for watching this final video from our annual allowance bite-sized video series. This is video 5. I have calculated my pension savings charge. What should I do next? Using the scheme pays option. The LGPS provides a scheme pays option, but this can only be used where the value of the pension savings charge is £2,000 or more. Scheme pays is where Essex Pension Fund pays the pension savings charge to HMRC on your behalf, and a corresponding reduction, referred to as a scheme pays pension debit, is applied to your pension. If you're interested in scheme pays, please email our technical hub confirming the value of the pension savings charge that you'd want Essex Pension Fund to pay. You will then be sent information on scheme pays, including details of the scheme pays pension debit and an election form to be completed should you wish to proceed with this payment option. The deadline in which a scheme pays election must be received by Essex Pension Fund to pay a pension savings charge for 2023-24 is the 31st of July 2025. A scheme pays election for someone affected by a reduced tapered annual allowance must be received by the 31st of December 2024. Tapered annual allowance can only apply where your taxable income is over £200,000. Should you require more information on tapered annual allowance, there is an external link to this in the YouTube video description. Once a scheme pays election is received, Essex Pension Fund will arrange for your pension record to be updated, and you'll be sent a confirmation letter providing the information that you need to complete the pension saving tax charges section of your self-assessment. Pension savings charge will be paid by Essex Pension Fund to HMRC on the following quarterly accounting for tax submission. All that is then needed is for you to complete and submit your 2023-24 self-assessment, including the information needed in the pension saving tax charges section by the 31st of January 2025. Paying the tax charge yourself. If you are paying the charge yourself, please confirm this in an email to our technical hub so we can update your pension record with this information. You are required to complete both your 2023-24 self-assessment and arrange payment of the pension savings charge by the 31st of January 2025. There are two amounts that require completion in the pension savings tax charges section of the self-assessment. These are amount saved towards your pension in the period covered by this tax return in excess of the annual allowance. This will be the pension savings excess amount that the charge was calculated on, so the same amount that was on the results when using the HMRC AA calculator. And annual allowance tax paid or payable by your pension scheme. This is the tax charge amount that you're actually paying. Make payment of the pension savings charge by following the instructions on the government's website. On the description of this YouTube video is a link to this section on the government's website. If you have any annual allowance queries, which includes requesting information on scheme pays or confirming you'll be making payment of your pension savings charge to HMRC, please email our technical hub at pensions.technical@essex.gov.uk. Well, that is it. We have covered the whole annual allowance process. Well done. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this series of videos. If you have breached the annual allowance, hopefully these bite-sized videos have been useful in helping you complete the required actions.